Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a Google Meet meeting using Google Calendar. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side, click the Create button. Select Event. Now enter a meeting title, such as Team Meeting. Choose the meeting date, then set the start time and end time. Next, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. Google Calendar will automatically generate a Google Meet link for your meeting. If you want to invite other people, enter their email addresses in the Add Guests section. You can also add a short description or meeting agenda. Once everything is ready, click the Save button. If you added guests, click Send to email the invitation and Google Meet link. Your meeting is now successfully scheduled. On the meeting day, open the event in Google Calendar and click Join with Google Meet to start the meeting. That's how to schedule a Google Meet meeting in 2026. Thanks for watching.